topaz water, pearl white sand, lush hills rising out of the sea. The Seychelles is composed of 115 scattered islands in the Indian Ocean. This tiny little nation, which feels more like the Garden of Eden, finds itself at ground zero of climate change. The sea level is rising almost a quarter inch per year, eroding the coastline, and warmer sea patterns from persistent El Nino are killing the corals, which help prevent the beach erosion. Yet one local organization is trying to make a difference. Hey, Scott Himelstein here with the Scott Himelstein Group, and today we have the pleasure of being joined by Hannah from WiseOceans. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but 70 to 90% of the world's coral reef have been destroyed over the past year due to climate change and El Nino. But one organization here locally in Seychelles on Mahe Island is really doing a lot to be able to reverse that. So Hannah, talk a little bit about the WiseOceans Reef project and how it came about.
So we've been based here at Four Seasons for 5 years now. So we're established in connecting with guests and enhancing experience and raising awareness of the fantastic marine life around Seychelles and getting people involved right up close to the fish so they start to care about things. 2 years ago then we launched our reef restoration project. The aim of the project is to restore an area of reef right within the bay so we can get guests out there to see it and people further beyond. It's all about the education, that's the main aspect.
So what is entailed when you actually try to restore a reef?
So what we're doing, we have a coral nursery. So we're getting corals that are from the reef. They've broken off naturally. We call them corals of opportunity. And we're picking them up, placing them in the nursery where they can grow and they can thrive in a protected area where they're safe from predation and sedimentation. And then after a few months, when they're healthy, at reasonable size, we'll transplant them straight onto the rock. And it's something that people can get straight involved with, right up close and personal. They can go into the nursery, they can plant their own corals and sponsor the reef.
It's such a great opportunity to help allow the coral reef to grow back, but it's obviously a very time-consuming project because reefs just don't grow on their own.
No, absolutely not. We have a reef restoration project officer who is here full-time, and that's her little baby. She's looking after it day in, day out.
So for guests that come here to this hotel, or for people that live on the island, which I actually think is the most important part, is for those who live in the community, the education that goes to really making sure that people understand how vital the reefs are to us as human beings.
Yeah, absolutely. It's one of our real importances here. We definitely don't overlook the local community. We get everyone that we can involved. We run workshops with local schools, we have groups, youth groups, organisations down to see us, we take people snorkeling. The more local people we can get caring about the environment and in the water to see it firsthand, the better.
Absolutely. Well, our thanks to Hannah from WiseOceans. For any real estate questions, call us at the Scott Himelstein Group, 818-396-3311. And Hannah's information as well as WiseOceans is here in our video blog. So make sure you take a look at it and see if you can find a way to help give back to protect our environment. Thanks again for watching our video blog.
Combien nous qui guette, combien qui trouve.